Hello everyone, today we'll be making fluffy slime.
Here are all the materials we need: shaving cream, liquid glue, and activator. Pretty simple, right?
First, we'll pour the glue into a bowl or container. Then, we'll add shaving cream. Finally, we will mix in the activator. Then your mixture should turn into a real slime.
Make sure you stir it well.
Let's start.
Put a whole bottle of white glue into a bowl. We used Elmer's glue.
Then add in your shaving cream. Use half the amount of glue you used. Fold it in gently and don't overmix. You can add dyes or colors to make it look brighter.
Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add in the activator about 1 to 2 teaspoons at a time.
Take your time and make sure it's fully mixed before using your hands to knead it.
Yay, it's finished! This is how it should look like at the end. Feel free to use charms, glitter, and more. Use your creativity.
Make sure to store it in an airtight container or box so it doesn't dry out. Plus, the more shaving cream you add, the fluffier it will be.
Moist it with lotion if it becomes rubbery.
So good.
Thanks for watching!